We're building a restaurant. We're looking for a few key ingredients. One of them could be you. It's happening right now. We're creating the menu, the culture, the team, the experience, and that's why we're hiring. Because the best part of building something is building it together. We're looking for a head chef and a venue manager, people with ideas, people who see possibility, people who get it done. BridgeHaus will be a restaurant, a café, a bar, an event space, and a place with purpose. A place where people can learn, grow, and create opportunities together. If you'd like to help build it from day one, we'd like to hear from you. Don't miss out. Apply now. BridgeHaus. Nowtown starts here.